G'day, my name's Christian at Jono Johno, and today I'm going to show you how to attach a chainsaw to our log horse. Once assembled, take the holder and the guard and attach it to the saw holder with the spring clip. The saw bar is clamped between these two faces. So you want to slide the saw in. Clamp the bar. Make sure that the clamp is in the center of the bar. Use the tube wrench to tighten the clamp. You need to make sure that this is secure. Make sure that when the guard is down, it clears the chainsaw chain. The bar and chain should also be centered in the guard. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one, and happy cutting.